This video is a beginner ab workout that can be done at home. Hi, I'm Coach Jamie Dreyer, and if you're looking to start an at-home exercise program that safely builds strength, flexibility, and your abs, then go ahead and click the link below for my free 4-week foundational strength challenge. All right, gang, come on down. If you're not down there already, on your back, we've got 3 exercises. We're doing relatively straightforward exercises. I'm going to show you super easy versions and a little bit harder so everybody could join in, okay? First thing we're going to focus on is lower abs just for 10 reps. So if you feel like you've got pretty strong abs, you can do 2 legs at a time for a leg lift. If you haven't done anything and this feels tough, or if it's hurting your lower back, bend your knees and you're going to go like this. And if even that feels challenging, just hold the crunch. Focus on contracting your lower abs as hard as possible. Mama, come look on the other side so they can at least see. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna do 10 reps of this. I love you. Okay, go. Go, baby. Uh-oh, playtime. 10 reps. Work with me. I know you guys have probably got pets and kids. 3, 4, 5, oh boy, 6, 7, got a hair in your throat, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Okay, next we're going to get into the obliques. I'm going to show you 2 versions of this, okay? The slightly harder one is a side... Yeah, this is my life, guys. This is my life. Come on, go over here. Go over there. The first one is a side plank. The top foot goes forward. The top foot goes forward, and you're going to hold this, and then you can go down and back up. Right? Try that. Now, if this doesn't feel good because of your shoulder, you're going to go down on your side like this, and then you're going to do a crunch this way. All right? This is 10 reps. And if this feels hard enough, you could just sit here and wait for us. Otherwise, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, my dog likes my feet. 9 and 10. Okay, go, baby. Move, baby. All right. Again, top foot is forward. Plant it. If that hurts, lie down and you could do a crunch. Otherwise, here we go. You can hold a plank if that seems challenging enough. Otherwise, dip and push up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Mama, go. 6, 7. This is a constant battle with me. 8, 9, and 10. Go, baby. Go lie down. All right, last thing. Upper abs. Oh my God. Upper abs, rectus abdominis. We're going to do a reaching crunch. God. All right. Back to our initial position. We're focusing on your upper rectus abdominis. So I want you to tuck your chin. All right. I'll be back in 1 second. Come. Come. All right. Sometimes it's that simple. She's cute, but she just doesn't know when is when. Okay. All right. So tuck the chin, hands on your thighs, and reach. I want you to focus on your upper abs. Come back down, shoulders down, head down. Tuck the chin, reach. Really concentrate here. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, you got it, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. We are now back to the top, lower abs. I'll show you, I'll remind you, you could do them straight leg if you feel pretty strong. Otherwise, the next regression would be here. But what's important is I don't want your back arching up and stressing your lower back, okay? I want you to focus on keeping your lower back down into the ground and engage your lower abs here. We're going to count that as 3, 4, 5. If this is hard, just hold this. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Back into the side. So everybody, was doing this and that felt fine, keep doing that. Otherwise, I'm going to do the other version with everyone right now. All right, so the regression would be arm down here, hand behind the ear, fingers behind the ear, and we're just going to go boom. Okay, side crunch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, flip it around to the other side. Here we go. Again, if you're doing the side plank version, top foot is forward for stability. Otherwise, if you're on the floor with me, bottom arm is straight, fingers behind the ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 9, 10. Sweet. All right, flip it back on your back again for the upper abs. Ooh, let me make sure I'm still in the shot for you. All right, here we go. I wonder, was my chin going over the mic? Can you guys even hear me when I do this? I don't know, as long as you can see me and you follow along, okay? Tuck the chin, crunch. 1, focus. 2, 3, 4. Try and reach a little farther. 5, past your knees. 6, 7, 8. Doing great. 9. Whew. Beautiful. You should be starting to feel it by now. We're going to do a third round if you're cool with it. If your abs are already screaming and starting to cramp up, then just take a minute. We'll be with you in a second. We're going to do an ab stretch after this. Everybody else, here we go. Let's go back to the leg lifts. Focus on those lower abs. If this is hurting your back, bend the knees and just focus on the contraction. Don't worry about the leg lifts. Just get a good connection to your lower abs there. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last set of these. 7, 8, 9, 10. Beauteous Maximus. Okay. Here we go. Hitting the obliques. I'm going to do the side plank version. Here we go. Come on up. Hips down and push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. All right. Other side. Pretty please and thank you. All right. Top foot forward. You ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, those are done. Last set. Just the upper abs we're working on here. All right, 10 reps. Try and tuck the chin and reach as far as you can with those fingertips. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last few. 8, 9. There we go. Nice job. All right, cool. Now, as promised, I got a little stretch for you, okay? So let's just flip over, face down. And let's start just by working to our elbows. Now, while you're here, it's not just about pushing up. I also want to try and do a little bit of a distraction in your lower back, because sometimes people will get into this position and they'll feel pressure in their lumbar spine, their lower back. Might even feel like a pinching. What that is that if you have that, that's because your discs in the back are getting a little bit of pressure. They're getting squeezed between your vertebrae. So what we need to do is, as we're trying to increase the stretch in your abs, we need to try and create some space between your spine, between your vertebrae. So we're going to try and actually pull your upper body away from your lower body. So I want you to kind of like feel like your lower body is down there. Your legs are an anchor. Your legs and your hip are weight. And your elbows are actually going to pull that way. So immediately I feel a little bit of decompression in my lower back, as well as a stretch of my abs. This might be enough for you. Take a few deep breaths into your lower abs. If you want to go farther into the stretch, you can go hands and push up. You could also twist a little bit from side to side, get a different angle, see how that feels. Nice job. You got your ab workout in. Fantastic. Thanks for joining me, guys. If you enjoyed that workout and you're looking for more along the same level, then go ahead and click the link below and sign up for my free 4-week foundational strength challenge.